Got Steve's new setup here.
What are they?
It actually sounds pretty damn good, dude. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, that's for sure.
Yeah.
That's quite surprising.
Yeah, it sounds fucking pretty good.
Yeah, it actually turned out pretty damn nice.
It just needs a little more work, you know what I mean?
For what it is, it actually hits.
Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to go for a spin with
It's so ghetto, but it's not bad. It's not bad.
The seat though, hey.
There's the other two MTXs for the other side. Yeah.
Yep.